Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to activate Netspend All Access card right from your smartphone. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you're connected to the internet and download the Netspend app. Netspend app is not available for all countries, so if it's not available to download for you, you can just head over to your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar and type Netspend, look for its official app and tap on it. So this is the landing page of the Netspend website. You can see the three lines at the top right corner of this website. Tap on it. So in order to activate your card, you can tap on Activate button located at the bottom of your screen. And now you can see two fields to enter your card number and your security code. So enter your card number and tap on Continue, and that's it. You've successfully activated your Netspend All Access card right from your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.